Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the details of a scooter that's redefining the balance between practicality, style, and performance. The 2025 Suzuki Burgman Street 125. This is not just your average city commuter. It's a premium scooter that brings a touch of sophistication to everyday travel. Whether you're a daily rider or just someone looking for a stylish and efficient two-wheeler, the Burgman Street 125 has a lot to offer. Let's talk about what makes this scooter stand out. First up, the heart of the Burgman, a peppy 124cc, single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine. It's designed to offer smooth and refined power delivery, making your rides effortless whether you're zipping through city traffic or cruising at a steady pace on longer stretches. The engine is BS6 compliant, which means it's not only powerful but also environmentally friendly, with reduced emissions and impressive fuel efficiency. With a power output of approximately 8.6 horsepower, it may not be a speed demon, but it delivers more than enough punch for urban commuting and weekend escapades. Now, let's get to the design. Suzuki has taken inspiration from maxi-scooters to craft a look that's both modern and elegant. The aerodynamic front apron, complete with bold LED headlights and DRLs, adds a premium vibe, while the muscular body lines enhance its visual appeal. The wide, comfortable seat and well-placed footboard ensure that both the rider and pillion have ample space and comfort, making it a great choice for longer rides as well. Plus, the underseat storage is massive, enough to fit a full-face helmet and more, perfect for those who like to carry a bit extra on the go. One of the major highlights of the Burgman Street 125 is its smart technology. The scooter comes equipped with Suzuki's eco-performance technology, ensuring optimal fuel efficiency without compromising performance. Then there's the Bluetooth-enabled digital console, which pairs seamlessly with your smartphone to give you access to navigation, call alerts, SMS notifications, and even ride statistics. It's a feature that adds real convenience for the tech-savvy rider. On the road, the Burgman offers a smooth and composed ride, thanks to its telescopic front forks and rear monoshock suspension setup. It glides over bumps and uneven roads with ease, ensuring you're comfortable no matter the terrain. The 12-inch front and 10-inch rear alloy wheels, paired with tubeless tires, provide excellent grip and stability, even during quick maneuvers or sudden stops. The combi-brake system is another thoughtful addition, enhancing safety by distributing braking force evenly between the front and rear wheels. Suzuki hasn't forgotten the small but important details either. The USB charging port ensures your devices stay powered up on the move, while the spacious front glove box and luggage hooks add to the practicality. The scooter's 780mm seat height is accessible for most riders, and a lightweight frame makes it easy to handle, even for beginners or those upgrading from a smaller scooter. In a market full of 125cc options, the 2025 Suzuki Burgman Street 125 manages to carve out a niche for itself. It's the perfect blend of style, practicality, and advanced features, all at a price point that offers great value for money. Whether you're commuting to work, heading out for errands, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, the Burgman Street 125 has got your back. So, what are your thoughts on this premium scooter? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more two-wheeler reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and stay tuned for the next one.